Hey, good morning. I'm stood in front of a telephone box, just like Doctor Who. You want to know who I am? My name is Colin. Right, and today I want to talk about evolution and technology and how it's all developing. Back in the day, for us to talk, I used to have to go to a telephone box, just like this one. Now I've got one in my hand. It's already late and I've already been working for hours this morning. That's why my video is late, because I consciously decided to leave my phone at home, because my phone at home wouldn't be a distraction, because I know myself, I know my weaknesses, and I also know my strengths, and my strengths is being able to talk to you like this. So anything technology can be used both ways. Why is this important? That we're transparent, that we're honest about it, that we talk about it, so that we can honestly, consciously make a choice. Because we all have free choice. We can all decide, do we want to use the telephone box, or do we want to use our mobile phone? Or do we just want to stay at home? Or like E.T., do we want to phone home? Now, I want to know your end goal. Why do you want to turn people into robots? Why do you want transhumanism? What's the end goal? Do you want to be better, stronger, or do you want to control us?